What's going on, guys? I'm joined here with one of my clients, Grant Pope from We Buy Houses, Southern Minnesota. Grant, how are you doing today?
Good, man.
It's awesome to hear. I just want to take a second and highlight your experience about working with Bolt Deals, our company, and more importantly, how you found out about us, what got you to work with us, and just take us through the timeline.
Yeah. So, what got me to work with you guys, I think the original calls with you, getting to know you a little bit better, like seeing your energy, like you're excited about it, like you're young. I thought like those things kind of aligned with what we're looking for. I wasn't looking for a typical agency, like wanted something with some fire and some juice that really like helped push us, and I felt that with you. So I think that was a big part of it for me. And yeah, since we've started, like it's been great. Like you guys are great. Like communicating with the team is great. Like sharing the energy is great. Like I feel like you guys are genuinely excited. Like I think you actually genuinely want to see us like do well.
Walk us through the onboarding. What was that initial onboarding process look like? Because I know in the past you tried other marketing companies. I'm curious how that went and ultimately what the process with us was like.
Yeah, I mean, I think with anything, like with any onboarding, you can expect like, okay, this is going to be some challenges and like you're going to have to put some energy in it to get it going. But I just felt like you guys were committed. Like, yeah, there's challenges. Like, yeah, we had some things to like tidy up and make sure like the CRMs are neat and tidy and like just all the details of it. But I just felt like you guys were committed to it and like wanted to make it go smooth and like you were active in there. And so I think you wanted to do well.
Awesome. I appreciate that. I guess let's talk about your results. Where are you at? What was your best month? What results? How's the lead quality? Talk us through all that, the campaigns, all of it.
Yeah, I mean, the lead quality's, it's great. Like, we've done a lot of different lead sources and stuff like that, and the lead quality is great. I think this is a model that works, and it's just taking that time to dive deep into it like you guys do and watch it and take care of it. Like, for me, we're working on building the company. You know, I'm working on hiring agents, and we're working on training. Like, we're working on some things to keep the needle moving. This was a piece that we felt comfortable that could be offloaded and, like, it would be done the right way. So, I mean, lead quality is great. Like, you guys are great in the Slack channels to communicate with. Like, things are simple. Awesome. And we like it that way. Hands off.
Awesome. That's obviously the goal that we have with all of our clients. When it comes to metrics, can you share any metrics that you would know that somebody else that you know is considering working with us would want to know?
Yeah. I mean, I think our cost per lead is about $160 a lead right now. And I mean, that's holding pretty steady. Probably 1 in 8 to 1 in 10 contracts are getting signed. So we feel pretty comfortable about that. Like, yeah, our returns we're probably seeing. I think in January we signed 15 contracts.
Wow.
So I mean, we were busy in the month of January, and like we're on pace in February. I think we're at 11. If I want to be correct, I think we're at 11 contracts. So like we're working on our metrics and making those things better. But yeah, I mean, it's there. Like it's just there. Like.
And how much are you spending per month in marketing right now to achieve that anywhere from 11 to 15 contracts?
I think last month it was $18,000.
Okay.
So
cost per deal is a little over $1,200 per contract.
Something like that, correct.
What would you say your average assignment fee here in Minnesota is right now?
In Minnesota, just over 10. It's like $11,000. Like we work in a lot of smaller communities too, which can be difficult, but it's
awesome. Yeah, awesome. So you're putting in a little over almost $1,300 per contract, and on your return, you're getting $11,000 back. What return is that for you?
What is that, like a 8 to 10x, something like that? Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's great. I mean, it's great. That's what we're looking for. Like, build a machine, put $1 in, and get 10 back. Like, that's what we want.
Awesome.
You know.
Awesome. I guess if somebody's watching this and they're thinking about working with us as a company, they're a little skeptical. They have a few objections. Even, what would you tell that person?
I would tell them to be prepared. Like, get ready. Like, because you guys are gonna push them too. You're gonna push them. Like, you're gonna be like, hey, dude. Like, I mean, you're going to get out what you put in. Like, so if you show up to the table and you're like, hey, Ben's going to come save the day, like, it's not going to happen. But if you're ready to, like, go to work, like, you guys are going to be that extra, like, fire to push them through that. And, like, you're going to guide them down a path and be like, hey, talk about these or look at this stuff. And, like, you brought metrics to me that's like, we weren't tracking that. But, yeah, dude, that's important. So, like, it's not just about the leads. The leads is a portion of it. But then it's what the other things that you guys bring to the table.
Absolutely. In your opinion, who is somebody that should be working with us? Like, where in their business should they be at before they consider bringing us on into their company?
To me, if they have, like, I think you have to have, like, a good CRM. Okay. Like, to me, like, you gotta, like, you can't be just taking leads into your inbox. Like, I just think, like, my opinion is, like, you're just gonna get lost quickly. Like, there's no, so, like, get some, and I don't, like, don't waste time on a CRM, but, like, get a CRM, put something together, get ready for leads, come up with a little bit of an idea of this is how I'm gonna do this. and then like give you a call and be like, hey, start pumping the CRM with leads, and then buckle up and stick to it, and it'll work.
In your opinion, you've been an incredible client. We have so much fun and enjoyment working with you as a client. What would you tell incoming clients? How should they operate and show up to ensure that they get success with us the way we do with you?
For sure. It's a partnership. Like, yes, like we've hired you and we're a client of yours, but at the end of the day, and I think as long as we both look at it like this, like as a true partnership, like your success rides on my success. Like if I'm not doing well, dude, like guess who's not getting paid? You. Exactly. So like you gotta fill my cup. Yep. But as long as you're filling my cup, and like it's a partnership, and like, so I like sharing that success with your team and like getting involved and like letting you guys know, like, dude, you guys are crushing it. Like keep doing that. Like, you know what I mean? And I think that's fun.
Absolutely, and we appreciate that as well. When it comes to marketing budget, a lot of people are hesitant to add on PPC because they know that it's super expensive compared to most of other marketing platforms. I guess what would you tell that person? How much should they start whenever they're running PPC, and what should they start to expect, at least for you?
PPC is our highest conversion rate. Okay. Like we do the best in PPC, and it's honestly not even really close for us. Like they're good for us. So I think it just makes sense. I think as an ad budget, like I don't know. I think you just have to like believe in yourself if you're truly into this, and like you gotta take a leap and say like, okay, like I might spend some money this month, and like I don't know if it's gonna work, but like, do you believe in yourself or not? So yeah, I think like ad budget.
What did you start off with? What marketing budget did you start?
Oh, well, in the very beginning, like nowhere near enough.
Yeah.
And I was even talking to a guy the other day, and he was telling me like, hey, I'm thinking about getting into leads, and like I'm like, he was like, I know you do this stuff, like talk to me a little bit about it. He's like, I was thinking about maybe spending like $25 a day, and I'm like, I don't know, man, like you ain't gonna get no volume from that. Like you gotta like go in, dude. Like you gotta go in. So I don't know. I started low too, though. I was maybe a couple $1,000s, like, and we were just trying some stuff, and like that was more like in the PPL days. So yeah, $2,500 a month. I think maybe I wouldn't even be afraid if you're actually about it. Like $3,000 to $4,000 isn't that much to try.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. Is there anything else they should be thinking about or considering? Because there's a lot of other agencies out there, and obviously you've worked with them. So I guess what besides what you mentioned before, is there anything specifically about us that separates or you like about us from every other agency?
Dude, you guys is young energy. Like the whole team. Yeah. Like you guys are like, this isn't like I don't feel like you guys are just like a agency out there that's super structured and it's got all this like, it's, I feel like you guys are in it, and you're like, you guys are working to build something, and like that energy shows. And like that's what I feel like you're not going to get with a lot of other agencies. Like they're going to be there, you're going to get your stuff and here plug you in, and like you're going to, you guys are dogging, like you guys are working, man. Like that's the difference. That's why I want my stuff to be with those kind of people.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Well, is there anything else you would like to share with somebody that's considering working with us? They were, maybe in your position a few months ago, and they know that in order to scale their business to the next level, they need to do some sort of inbound marketing. But the question is with who and what platforms? Is there anything you would share with them? Final thoughts? Yeah.
I think do your own research, because I'm that guy. You got to feel good about what you're doing. But I feel like I'm a very client first relationship like kind of guy. Like I want to make sure that that's important, and you guys are that person. So if your business is built on relationships and not just transactions, like I think it's worth a shot.
Absolutely. I appreciate it, Grant, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks, Ben.
Yeah.